Hello everyone, welcome to NITSCP YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve question E of Code Forces round 748. The question named is Gardener and Tree. Let's proceed towards the question statement. Here we have a tree. We have a tree is an undirected connected graph in which there is no cycles. And this problem is about a non-rooted tree, and a leaf of a tree is a vertex that is connected to at most one vertex. Like in our example, the vertex 14, 11, 12, 5, 6, 9, 10 is a leaf of the tree of this tree. And the gardener Vitelli grew a tree of n vertices. He decided to trim the tree. To do this, he performs number of operations. In one operation, he removes all the leaves of the tree. The gardener wants to trim the tree. Like in one operation, he will remove all the leaf like 14, 11, 12, 5, 6, 9, 4, 10. He will remove all the tree, and the remaining tree will be this. And here are some special cases. For special cases, if you have empty tree, like we have 0 vertices, then we don't have to change it. And for if we have a tree with 1 vertices, remove the vertices. If we are left with only 1 vertices, then in next operation there no will be 3, like the vertex will be 0. And if there is 2 vertex, like if there is 2 vertex, then in one operation this, because these both are the leaf nodes, because they are connected through at most one nodes vertex, then this tree will with vertex which equal to 0, then all tree will be deleted here. Then let's proceed toward the problem solution. Then if we have, first of all I will take a tree like this, tree, vertex, this vertex. Then in one operation the tree will be like, we have to delete this one. In one operation the tree will be like this one. And for next operation we have to delete this one and this one. For next operation the tree will be, in next operation the tree will be like this one. Then for next operation, this is a special case. If we will left with only 2 vertex, we have to delete all this in one operation. Like then the tree will be with what vertices 0. Vertices is equal to 0. Then our answer will be 0. Then let's proceed towards the solution of the part. Then if we have a tree with these vertices, first of all I will store all the degree of all the vertices. Like we have degree with 1, here is 2, here is 4, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here is 2. Then in first operation, wait, let me reduce this. In first operation we will delete, and the updated graph tree will be this one, 4, this one will like not 4, this one and this one, only left with 3. Then I will delete all the leaf nodes and update its directly connected vertex. Update this one, directly connected vertex this one, directly connected vertex this one. Then for that one the degree will be because the degree is 4, and for that one I am deleting two vertex directly connected with it. Then its degree will be 2, his degree will be 1, his degree will be 1. Then in next operation we will left only with, because we have to delete these 2, we will left only with 2. This is a special case. Then in next operation the answer will be 0. Like that. Then I am taking a queue where I will store all the leaf nodes and all the leaf nodes. Leaf node, all the leaf node, and I will take all the leaf node like this leaf node, this one, this one, this one, and I will take pop one leaf node and decrement the directly connected vertex degree with 1. Like his degree is equal to degree minus 1, and for this one I will take out this leaf node and decrement its directly connected vertex degree with minus 1. His direct degree is equal to degree minus 1, and I will do for k when I will do for k when k is equal to greater than 0 and our answer is equal to answer greater than 0. If we will left with an answer, but if we have k is equal to 0, then we will not proceed further. If we have answer is equal to 0, we will not proceed further. Let's see my implementation. Wait. Here I have taken a graph with one vertex, and here I have taken a vector with a degree, and I have initialized it all with 0, because first of all I will take all the vertex degree as 0, and I am taking input in graph and incrementing its degree. Taking input in graph and incrementing its degree. Then I have a array with beach state, and I have initialized it with 0, and I have taken a queue for leaf node, and I am iterating through all the graph, all the tree, and if I am finding the if degree is equal to 1 or degree is equal to 0. Degree is equal to 1 for leaf node and degree is equal to 0 for only one vertex left. And if this degree is equal to 1 and degree is equal to 0 is found, then I will push the vertex in. I'll put the vertex in the leaf node, and I will assign the b stage equal to 1 for that vertex. And I am taking answer as 1, because if we don't have to perform any operation, if k is equal to 0, then we don't have to perform any operation, and the answer is equal to n. And I am iterating through while k is greater than 0 and answer is greater than 0. If any one of these will be less than or equal to 0, then we will stop our operation there, and I will print the answer here. And we will take another queue for updated leaf. Like if we have leaf all the leaf there, then for updated leaf the updated leaf will be only of these two. Then I will iterate through all the queue. When leaf will be empty, while leaf will be empty, and I will decrement my answer, because I am deleting my one node, and I will take front leaf. I will take the front of my leaf and I will iterate through the graph, and I will iterate through the graph, and I will decrement, like I'm decrementing degree is equal to degree minus 1. Here degree is equal to degree minus 1, and again I am checking if degree is equal to 1 or degree is equal to 0 and bit state is equal to 0. Like degree is equal to 0 and bit state is equal to 0 is for special condition, like if we will left with only one node, and this degree is equal to 1 for leaf node, and I will push this in updated leaf, and I will assign the bit state is equal to 1, and I am decrementing my k, and I am updating my leaf as a updated leaf, and I am printing my answer here. Further, let's see the hack of this problem. Here we have constant of t to 1 to 10 to the power 4, and for n and k we have 1 to 10 to the power 5, and here I have guaranteed that the sum of n from all test cases does not exceed 4 into 10 to the power 5. And let's see, if we are solving our question in order of k for each test case, then we will get our complexity in order of k into t, because k and t are independent. And if you are solving our question in order of n, then we will get our solution in order of n, because n and t are dependent, because question is saying that we have guaranteed that sum of n from all test cases does not exceed 4 into 10 to the power 5. Like, then order of k into t means order of 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 4. Then this solution is not acceptable, because it will give clearly on some test cases, and order of n is acceptable because order of 10 to the power 5 is acceptable. Then let's see our wrong code here. If we are checking blindly only for k greater than 0, then we will get TLE here, TLE on test case 15. And if you are checking both the k greater than 0, both the k greater than 0 and answer greater than 0, then we will got accepted.